All right, well, Rusty and I are back, and I just got my modified Rehose bag back from Rugged Thread. And this is the first time I'm seeing it since I got the modification done. As a quick aside, I really like these dedicated box cutters. And that way I'm not dulling my knife blades. So it's a little serrated edge. All right, let's see here. What do you think, bud? So I had them make an incision and attach a Hyperlite belt. Ooh. All right. Let's take a look at this. Yes. All right. So what they did, oh, that's clean. They made an incision on the side and looped the belt through the side seams. So I sent them this Hyperlite belt because I really like this backpack. This is easily my favorite air travel backpack. I love how light it is. I love the fact that it keeps its shape. The color is really cool. It wears super nice on my 5'8" frame. So let's see if I can't get a good. Here we go. So they added they cut the seam there and threaded the belt through and added some protective fabric on either side. So now it's got this channel that runs through. So I can remove the belt. So you can see in there, they added this channel of fabric to create a tunnel. They added some Velcro that attaches to the Hyperlite belt. And so far, that's feeling really comfortable. That feels like a really nice distance from, I think it's called the top of the yoke to the belt. So for my torso, that is just, that seems to be the Goldilocks zone for me. And let's see how well it fits. Let's loosen that up. Oh, that's feeling dandy. Oh, that feels awesome. What do you think, Rust? I really wish that this bag came with a hip belt from the bag maker, but at the same time, this Hyperlite belt just seems to be working out so nicely. There's so many bags on the market that don't get the distance right for me from the top of the shoulder straps to the waist belt. And that's sitting nicely. I'm excited to put some actual gear in it and put it through its paces. So we've got some air travel coming up in, well, basically for Thanksgiving. And so I'll get a chance to give it a run through then. But in the meantime, I do have a bag comparison coming up, specifically why I like using this Rehose bag over Peak Design, over Osprey, over Matador, and why this specific bag fits my needs so much better than those. So appreciate you tuning in for this unboxing video, and I'll have that comparison video out here soon. But from Rusty and me, thanks for tuning in, thanks for your attention, and we'll see you in the next video. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Hello, sir. Oh yeah, check that out. Stay.